You are going Today we are gonna be discussing about how to upload your music on Audiomack, and I'll be giving you the step-by-step tutorial on this video. Hereby, my name is KIDAAX Audiomack, Superstar Trap Boy. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Click on the red subscribe button below and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any video like this. If you are interested in learning how to upload your music on Audiomack step by step on your smartphone, let's get into. We are going to be using the Chrome app for this today, and we are going to drop the link to the Google Chrome app in the description box, so you can all download the Google Chrome app if you don't have that. Thanks. Click on the three dots at the right hand side and go make sure you are clicking on desktop site, so it will look as if you are on your laptop. So it will bring all necessary features. As you can see, the page has changed where everything is. And now click on upload. You click on upload at the right hand side. Yeah, and if you are releasing a song, an EP, or it's a non-musical stuff, but for the beginning I know it to be a song, click on song and click on next. Yeah, and click on file and go and choose the file you want to upload. Now it's loading. It's uploading already. Wait for some minutes for it to upload. That's uploaded already. So now what you are going to do next, the network is bad. Okay, yeah, it has turned up. Now you are going to input the necessary details: the name, your name, the artist name, input it, the title of the song, the genre of the music, and your mood. Input everything. Input it. Input whether the song is explicit or not. Input the necessary details. Your cover art too. I'm not changing it because of it's just a tutorial video. I'm just using it as an example, but I think you all know necessary things to put. Yeah, I put mood. So you can see everything as easy as that. Click on next and input the song description. About the song, just input it. Input the UPC and ISRC if you're having any. Input them and click on next step. And here is where you schedule your release, whether you are releasing it immediately. Click on public. If you are not releasing it to the public, click on private. And if you want to choose a release date, click on next, and the music is uploaded already. As you can see, your music has uploaded, and now you can all have your music on Audiomack. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found that very helpful or interesting, you can just consider subscribing if you haven't done that. Click on the red subscribe button below and click on notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any video, so you can be the first to get notified when I drop any video. Thanks for watching. My name remains KIDAAX Audiomack, Superstar Trap Boy. Peace.